Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my best friend is leaving for college. What I thought would be really cool is we're gonna make her a little gift basket to not say goodbye, but to like send her off with some cute little stuff and some of her favorite things, because what else are best friends for? So I'm gonna take you with me in this video to go to the stores that I went to and show you what I got, and then we're gonna like put it all together, and then when I see her and give it to her, I will film that and film our last day together until we see each other again. And I thought that would be really cute and I'm super excited. So Haley, if you're watching this, I love you and I hope you have the best time ever. And I hope you love your gift. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Nicole. I'm honestly just figuring life out, and why not bring you guys with me, because I know there are so many people out there that want to do social media and content and stuff, and I know I've wanted to do it for so long and I never had the courage to do it, and here I am finally doing it, and it's so exciting and invigorating and I love it, and I hope you guys love it too. So if you're new here, definitely subscribe, leave a like, comment, whatever you want to do. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Thank you guys. Let's get into the video. So I finally have like everything put together that I want to have for the gift itself. So what I'm gonna make is like a little gift basket, which Haley's favorite color is pink. So I grabbed this cute little pink basket, and I am going to put in a bunch of little snacks inside, a little card, and I got these really cute pink crew socks from Aerie, and they are the softest socks ever. Like I have like 3 pairs of these and I love them so much, and I know Haley's gonna love these. But they're pink and they're super soft. That's cute. And then I grabbed these ones with a little happy face on them, and these are the little Bobby socks from Aerie as well, and these ones are just like peach with some like little pink accents. I actually also have these, so we'll also technically have matching socks, so that is very cute. If you don't like getting socks as a gift, you need to learn how to like getting socks as a gift. Like if you or anyone gave me socks as a gift, I would just cry, because I love socks and I think they're important. I don't know if that's me finally trying to like be an adult or not, but socks are great. Gift people socks. And then I got this cute little card, just says some cute little stuff on it, and then it's not blank on the inside. It actually says something really cute on the inside, and then I'm just gonna write on this side. So that part's blank, and then I grabbed a pink envelope to go with my little pink theme. All of the snacks that I got are not pink themed, I'm not gonna lie, but there's so much that I could have done with that, I guess. Like I got her some of her favorite snacks, they're not all gonna be pink. I don't have them up here with me because it is so hot in this room that they would probably melt. So I just got like some Reese's like trail mix or like peanuts. And then I got a Reese's cup, the little pack of Reese's cups. And then I went to Dollar Tree and actually saw some other types of them, which was really cool. And it was like a big Reese's cup. And it was just one, but it's like the size of 2, but it has little peanuts inside of them, so she gets like a little bit of everything mashed up together. So that was super nice. And then the main part of the gift is it's gonna be in this little frame, where this is actually a picture frame, but it's glass. So like all picture frames have a glass, but like there's no backing to it, like it'll be clear. So I'm gonna take the glass out of here, and then I'm going to draw like the little Apple Music template of the song playing, and then we're gonna take some really good pictures tomorrow, which I will include some footage of us hanging out and maybe doing that, and then we're going to get one done, if that makes sense. We're gonna get a picture printed out, and then that way we can finish it off and stick it on here because we don't have like a lot of pictures. I find that whenever we hang out, we just hang out, and I think that's great anyways. But the whole purpose of it is to have like that little picture there and then the little music playing. I'm gonna use Hey Soul Sister by Train as the song playing because she's literally my soul sister, and I think that'll be really, really sweet, and I think she's gonna love it. So there's that, and then obviously I just got one of these Sharpie chalk markers so I can like draw that onto the glass. I also got this cute pink marker because Haley loves pink, so I wanted to write in the card in pink. Not that I don't have like a bunch of pink stuff to write in. I feel like I have a lot of fine line markers, but this one's metallic. But like I totally feel like I got cheaped out of that because I was testing it and nothing was coming out metallic. But maybe it just needs some love. So hopefully that works because I thought that was gonna be cool. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna put some like pink wrapping paper inside and like fill it up all with like the sacks and stuff. So that'll be nice. But that's basically what I got going on right now. So I'm going to start getting this done and I will show you guys bits and pieces, and then we can go into tomorrow and hang out with Haley and the whole thing. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype, it's not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right, feeling nice, what's the price? Yeah, do not live in twice, yeah. My fam on my spine, yeah. Green be getting sliced like a lime. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink, like a love, like a love. Hello. You cannot tell me this is not the cutest chair you've ever seen in your life. Like, are you kidding me? As I found Crocs. Like, are you kidding me? And also, like, look at these freaking gibbets. Are you kidding? Okay, so I'm 99.9% sure Haley absolutely loved her gift. We had a super fun time together. It was really fun. We spent like the entire time in Marshall's basically, and then she got some food, and I'm pretty sure that's like what we did. We took some pictures, and then we kind of like separated because then it started to get dark. So I don't have a clip of Haley opening her gift because by the time we were doing that, it was already getting really dark out. But she loved it. It was super cute. I had a great time. And by the time that this video gets posted and she sees it, she's already at school. So I hope you're having an amazing time, Haley. I believe in you. You got this. I miss you so much. I'm going to miss you so much. But yeah, it was super fun. We had a good time. I did end up getting some stuff, and since I like filmed a little bit of that, I will show you what I got. So I did end up getting the Spider-Man shirt. So it is just literally, I don't know how much more I can back up. It is literally just a white t-shirt. I thought it was super cool. I've never seen a shirt like that. And I was like, gotta get one. I also got one for Simon, so we are twinning, and it is super cute. And then I also found this gem. Listen, the men's t-shirt section in Marshall's is where it's at. Do not sleep. Got this one. Yes, I actually do listen to AC/DC, so do not worry. It is actually a really cool top. I've never seen it before. It has tour dates on the back, and Japan tour in 1981. Like, that is so cool. I absolutely love it. They're super comfy. They're so cute. I'm so excited to style them. Definitely let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me style them, or if you want to see some styling videos in general, which I am going to be working on, which is going to be fun. If you like this kind of video, let me know. Definitely tell me in the comments like what your favorite thing to do is with your best friend, or if your best friend's in college and how you cope with them being away, because that would be super helpful and nice. It was a really fun day. It was cute. She was super happy about her gift. I was super happy that she was super happy about her gift. I got some cool shirts, so super dope. If you guys enjoyed, definitely leave a like, subscribe. You know what to do. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Don't forget to check me out on social medias, which will be linked in the description, along with right here. Have a good rest of your week. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and we will see you next week, hopefully, with another video. Bye!